place. It's very good. You can just see the nature around you, the beauty, the green. Then you see the river. You see the sound of the river. It's very good. I'm just enjoying the moment.
Thank you, bro. Hey, Gilly, you wanna say something, bro?
Peace.
How do you feel here, man?
It's always peace.
You like this place?
Nature is at its best.
You took almost 3 hours to reach here. So was it worth?
Long journey. It's worth it.
You got a good swim. Okay.
Yes, we did had a good swim and
And now we are
Enjoying
Yes.
the view.
with this beauty of this nature in Mawranglang. And beyond this, another 10-20 kilometers, we will be reaching Longstay. But that will be then our next destination. So for today, this is our last stop.
what? From here beyond is Nongsten.
Yeah, from here we can reach Longstay. So this is the video from Shivaraj. So before we go, we want to say something. So starting with you, Shivu, what do you have to say something before we leave this place?
Please watch my video. I'm just making this video for you all. And these 2 friends I take along, they are also putting a lot of effort in finding this
It
place.
didn't take long. Actually, I arrived with my own bike. Actually, I took this guy. But you should visit this place. Okay, it's a very good place. Okay, when you came here, okay, when you come here, you will not regret. You will enjoy it. Okay, so be sure to come to this place. Okay, it's Mawranglang, 15 kilometers from Mawkyrwat. Okay, so the road is good.
I love the place.
Love the place. Enjoy the view. We reach here around 4-5, but still, if you reach here around daytime, it will be more fun and be more good. Yeah.
Definitely. Gillu, say something, man.
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm with my friends. We all live together, 3 of us.
This is
And we'll all be together and
best
roam
friends,
every day,
3
every
idiots,
time.
3
We get time.
3 musketeers, 3 guys roaming around Meghalaya.
Yeah.
We will one day we will conquer the whole of Meghalaya.
We'll come to your place one day,
Each
don't
and
worry.
every part of Meghalaya we're gonna cover. Don't worry, we're gonna go there, we're gonna come there. Woo, be there. Stay